Hi everyone, I'm Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I would like to speak about how to create interest at your studies, especially legal subjects I'm talking about. Many of the students, if they take book, they get sleep. So how to create an interest to study about your legal subjects? So legal, as you all know, legal subjects are little bit tougher subjects compared to other subjects because we need to specify, you know, sections, subsections, articles, case laws, relevant case laws, suitable examples. There are many things to be right in the LLB examinations. So if you take book, you will get sleep. My dear friends, you have to create interest, then only you can able to pass or score your LLB examinations. How to create the interest? Interest will not come just like that. If you need to create interest, you need to set a big goal in your life, my dear friends. So what is that goal? You have to decide yourself today itself. You have to decide what you would like to become after completion of your LLB course. So that is very important. Without your standard goal, you cannot success in the legal field, and again and again you will get fail in the LLB subjects. So my advice to create an interest to study about your legal subjects, that first of all you have to create, you have to create big goal in your life. That is very big goal in your life after completion of your LLB, what you would like to be. So if you have that ambition, that always fire, you know in your mind. So if won't get fire in your mind, you won't get studies, my dear friends. So you have to create a big, or you have to set a big goal in your life. For that goal you have to sacrifice your time, yeah, and you have to create your interest about your studies. LLB subjects are very toughest subjects, and you have to create interest. Without creating interest, you cannot able to study. So first of all, you have to set a goal, big goal in your life. After that, today what you have to do, what supposed to do it. Today you have to study half an hour. So half an hour is enough. If it is find difficult, please start with 15 minutes. 15 minutes you have a look on your textbooks or notes, just glance your points or something like that. So today you have to start with 15 minutes, and tomorrow to be increase uh, 30 minutes, day after tomorrow to be 45 minutes, then next day it would be 1 hour. Then after that you have to increase such a way that initial level you have to create, you have to study about 2 hours, whether it could be morning or whether it could be evening, that is up to you. I don't tell in this video what is the best time to study. Many of the students, they are very much interested to study about in the morning. Some students are very keen to study in the late night. So that is up to you, my dear friends. So this is how to create an interest, especially for legal subjects. So once you get habituated, every day if you go into study, or you have to write your own notes, or you have to create write your LLB questions from the previous question papers, as my suggestions always to be taken 5 years previous question papers. Those kind of things you have to make habituated in your life, day to day life. After that what you will get, automatically you will get habituated to study. And if you get habituated to study, definitely you will be going to study at least minimum 2 hours a day, and in examination, during the examination time, it will be extended to 4 hours. Obviously automatically it comes, my dear friends. So then after, my advice is to, at least you have to do meditation or yoga in the early morning, at least minimum half an hour a day. If you do half an hour a day, it boosts your concentration level, and it boosts your IQ level. So that is very important. If you don't do meditation, and you cannot, your stability will come down, my dear friends. So my advice is, at least minimum half an hour a day you have to engage with your activities, means um, yoga or meditation. Meditation is very important for you studying LLB subjects. So you after completion, every day if you do yoga or meditation, definitely your IQ level will get increased, my dear friends. You can check up, and you can start, and you can find the difference after 1 month or 2 months. You will come to know how the magic will happen in your life if you adopt yoga or meditation in your life, my dear friends. So this is how you have to create an interest to study about your LLB subjects. Without creating of your interest in LLB subjects, you cannot able to success, or you cannot able to reach your goal, my dear friends. You always get a fire in your mind that I have to become like that, I have to become like this. Every day you have to dream it. After dreaming, you have to execute the planning, whatever you are planning, and you have to execute each and every day. Time is very precious. Who is managing the time, he can conquer the world, my dear friends. So today is holiday. I have many works at my native to do agriculture activities. So in this, today I have done my agriculture activities. Along with this, I am doing video also. Why? Because we should not waste our time, my dear friends. Time is very precious. Time is very precious. Once again, I would like to tell, time is very precious. If time gone, that time never come back, my dear friends. So this is how you have to create an interest at your studies. You have to keep a big goal in your life. For that goal, each and every day you have to struggle. Many of the students who have been choosing these law subjects, most of the students, they will be become advocates, famous advocates. They become professors. They become legal consultants. Their goals and all different, maybe different, but so if you don't keep big goal in your life, definitely you don't have interest to study about your LLB subjects. For that, if you would like to create an interest to your studies, you have to follow these tips. These tips will be going to helpful for your LLB examinations and your goal. I hope this video have been clarified how to create an interest at your legal subjects, especially legal subjects under Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. So please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar Ketty so that you will notified very good videos like this. Thank you.